Hello everyone and welcome to the Stonington July Real Estate Market Report. We're going to get into a couple of different things here. Let me just bring up our index and I'll tell you all about it. The median sales price, new listings, homes for sale, pending sales, closed sales, and median days on the market. Before we get to that though, if you want to get some information about homes for sale in Stonington, you can always go to bridgetmorrissey.com. Bring up her website, type in Stonington in the search bar, and that'll bring up all the homes for sale in Stonington. Or you can just go to bmre.us/06378 list, and that'll bring you up to date on what's going on. But let's take a look at what happened in the month of June in Stonington. As far as two-bedroom homes, there were 4 of them sold. There were 7 3-bedroom homes sold and 6 4-bedroom homes sold for a total of 17. The average price on the 2-bedroom homes was about $882,000, so those were probably right on the water. And then you've got $331 for the 3 bedrooms and $513 for the 4 bedrooms. But of the 17 homes sold, 15 of them sold within 30 days, probably closer to 10 days. We'll get into that a little bit later. But it's amazing what the market is doing right now. Now I'm going to show you a bunch of charts, and they all look back over a year. Each point on the chart is looking back the previous 12 months. And we start off at January of 2021, so we're looking at 2020 when we start looking at these charts. And the median sales price back in 2020 was, well, you're looking at about $350,000. And you can see that it's just been going up ever since. Right through to the end of last year, and then it's kind of leveled off. Things are starting to get back to a little bit of normal from what it was in 2021. But let's take a look at the new listings. Now going back to January of 2021, looking over the year for 2020, there were about 380 of them for the previous 12 months. And that took a dip when the pandemic started to hit. And then went back up again, and it went down ever since. I mean, it's gotten to be a really tight market. And you can see that pretty much anywhere, that the number of new listings has been going down for quite some time. So I'll tell you about homes for sale next. Like I just said, the number of homes on the market has been going down. If you look at any given day back at the beginning of 2021, you're looking at probably a little bit around 113 homes for the previous 12 months. But it's changed since then. It's gone down, and we're looking at closer to an average of 50 homes for the previous 12 months. It's just demand has gone up, supply has gone down. Not much we can do about it. And when supply goes down like that, the number of pending sales goes down. I mean, we were pretty busy back in 2020, but you can see it's dropped off significantly. I mean, gone from almost 340, and we're down to just below 260 as of today. If you look at the bottom of the charts on the right-hand side, you can see each data point is 12 months of activity. Data is from July 15th, 2022. So that's today. So you get updated every day. And here's closed sales. And that kind of follows right along the number of homes for sale. I mean, looking back over the previous 12 months for 2020, there were probably about 320 homes sold. But if you're looking back towards the end of 2021, the number dropped down to about 300. And if you're looking at today, we're closer to 270. It just keeps going down. It's a tough market right now for, with people for homes for sale. Now, I mentioned median days on the market when we were looking at the monthly report. And over the last few years, if you sold a home between 30 and 45 days, you were doing pretty well. Looking at 2020, we were at about 37 days on the market. And then you look at the end of 2021, we're down under 20. And then you look just a couple months ago, we're down under 15 in Stonington. So it doesn't take long for a home to sell if it's priced correctly. Now let's look at something a little different. We're going to look at the new listings for the month of June this year compared to last year, and then we're going to look at new listings and the other criteria for year to date, 2021 compared to 2022. So for the month of June, the new listings dropped a little bit, just went down 1. Pending sales dropped down up 37%. Closed sales were off about 5%. And the days on market until sale for the month of June this year was just one more day than last year. So maybe we got something happening in the market. We'll have to take a look at that. Now, median and average are two different things. Median is when you take the high sales price and the low sales price, and the next highest and the next lowest, and you work your way to the middle and find out what that median was. Average is you take all the houses that sold, add them up, and divide by the number of houses sold. So you're going to get two different numbers. But if you look at the dollar amount, they've both been going way up in Stonington, and the percent of list price received way up. I mean, you're over 100% for both years, for both months of June in 2021 and 2022. If you look at year to date, the number of new listings were off 17%, down from 138 to 114. We've got just we're down a third of the pending sales and a third of the closed sales. Again, the number of houses for sale is off, so the number of houses sold is going to be off. And the days on market has gone way down. You can see down 63%. Again, median sales price and average sales price, both of those going up. And for all you sellers out there, if you look at the percent of list price received, right around 100%. So you're looking at, a pretty good seller's market right now. I hope that information helps you out a little bit if you're planning on selling a home. If you have any questions, you can give Bridget a call at 860-857-5165, or just go online at bridgetmorrissey.com. Or if you like email, it's bridgetamorrissey@gmail.com. Again, I hope this helps, and have a great day.